Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send Hamster Kombat from Telegram wallet to Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Telegram wallet. Here, tap on Send, then tap on External Wallet. From this list, select Hamster Kombat. Make sure you have available balance and are ready to send. Now tap on it. Here we need to copy the Hamster Kombat address from Binance, so open Binance app on your device. Once opened, tap on Assets. Now, tap on Spot. After that, tap on Deposit. Then, at the top, search for Hamster. Tap on the first result. Select Open Network for the network. Both the memo and the address are required to successfully deposit your funds to Binance, so keep that in mind. Tap on OK. Copy the Hamster address and then go back to our Telegram wallet. Tap on Paste to insert the Hamster address. Tap on Continue to proceed. Here, enter the amount of Hamster token here. Once you enter the amount, tap on Continue to proceed. Add the required tag from the exchange to avoid losing funds. Now let's go back to Binance. Then copy the Hamster memo. Then go back to Telegram and paste the memo here. Keep in mind that you have to pay the fee for every transaction. As you can see, out of 167 Hamster token, you will receive only 867 Hamster once deposited into your Binance account. Then tap Confirm and Send. Enter the passcode if prompted. Hamster has been sent and tap on Done. Wait for a few minutes. Then go back to Binance to check if the deposit has arrived. At the top, tap here to check the deposit history, and after a couple of minutes of waiting, you will receive your Hamster token from Telegram wallet to Binance. So that's basically how you can send Hamster Kombat from Telegram wallet to Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.